Your attention is the most valuable thing that you can offer your work, your loved ones, and the myriad of social media companies trying to keep you scrolling. Mindfulness helps distinguish between fruitful attention for work or pleasure and distracted attention, like driving while texting. In today's session, we'll practice moving our focus between our breathing and the sounds around us. The mind's tendency to seek the next random stimulus can be reined in by giving these two clear anchors to rest on. Start by noticing your breath. Then shift your attention to any sounds you hear. Keep alternating between breath and sound. This will leave little room for your mind to wander. When thoughts come up, gently let them go and return to the raw sensations of breathing or hearing. It might not be obvious yet, but regular mindfulness practice can transform your relationship with your own mind, leading to greater clarity, emotional balance, and genuine happiness that doesn't depend on external circumstances. Thank you for your practice. I hope we'll sit together again soon.